Hello and welcome to the Style Spot channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy tips to get through a mountain of laundry very quickly. If you're new to the channel, we hope you subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like the video. If you're returning to us, we're glad you're back. With that, let's get to it. So ideally, you want to start out on a flat surface, something like your mattress, or in this case, I'm just on the closet floor. And you also want a bunch of hangers ready. I have my pile of laundry that I need to get through here, and then I have an empty basket for things either that don't belong in this closet or things that I want to fold. So we're not going to hang things one at a time because that's a very slow, painful way to do things. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that everything is facing the right way. So like in the same direction. So if it has a logo or something, if it's a graphic tee, it's facing forward. If something is inside out, then just flip it. So we're just gonna do that as fast as we can. Batman. Okay, so this qualifies as something that needs to be folded. And it goes. Yeah. So there is a reason why you want the neck close to you, and that'll be apparent in a couple minutes. So I learned this, like I said, a few years back in retail, and I had to get through, gosh, probably at least 5 boxes of new merchandise before opening. And so things just had to go fast. And I think having done it that way, I can't go back to doing it slow. But if I know people that, they find laundry like kind of therapeutic and they just like to take their time about things, that's fantastic. But I am not in that stage of my life anymore where I can go slowly with laundry because I literally have mountains. I have my husband's laundry, I have mine. We have a toddler, which so he has all these really cute little onesies and little pants to fold and stuff. So I don't want to miss out on time with him because I'm stuck doing laundry. So I speed up things like household chores so that I can make as many memories with him as I can while he's little. Okay. So you can see my husband loves graphic tees. Straight out of cookies. It's one of my favorites. Okay. If you want to have music in the background, you can. I usually do. Or like I said, oops, that was inside out. Right side out. I'll have the TV going or something. It does help that I took out our unmentionables because I do have a limit with what I'll post on YouTube, and I'm sure you guys don't want to see. It's actually not for this closet, so that. Disney pajamas. Big Disney fans. Big Disney fans, so. Okay, so normally my pile is, I don't know, 3 times as big as this, so this is actually not bad today. Okay, last one. Fantastic. All right. Yes. Okay, so we've gotten to this point. We have all of the necks really close here. So this is the part where you can go fast. I even have all my hangers on my right hand side because I'm a righty. But if you're a left hand side, then you can be a lefty. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop it into the neck like this and then fold it over in half away from you. Does that make sense? So I'll show you again. You pop it in. If it's a button up, then go ahead and button up that top button. Fold it away from you. Okay, so now I can just get going. And you could do this, like I said, on the dining room table. You could do it, you know, on the island of your kitchen, or if you have a big enough laundry room, you just need a flat surface and hangers, and then away you go. So as you can see, it goes really quickly. I mean, we're almost done. If I had done this one at a time, the traditional way, I feel like I still would be just getting started with it. So okay. All right. And last one. So as you can see, that went really, really quickly. So now you can I can just grab the whole thing and hang it up, and it's as easy as that. I will hang this up now. All right, well, thanks for watching this video on how to get through a mountain of laundry really quickly. I hope you picked up some great tips, a new method for how to get through it really fast. Remember to hit the like if you like the video, thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time on the Style Spot channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I forgot what I was going to say. We're glad that you're here. Be sure to hit Okay. Thank you for watching the video that's seconds of your life that you can never get back. Okay.
I'm totally using that. Yeah.
She's gonna wake up the baby. She's gonna wake up the baby.
It's still going. So.
Okay, sorry. Subscribe if you're not here. Why is it so hard to say already? Why is there a neighbor with that totally threw me? He started doing that. Some form. Fortnite.